live. You want also to get live? To go live? Press the plus button at the bottom of your phone. Yeah. Press it. And then you can go live. Where? On YouTube. On YT, then you can see the plus button below. You can see it later when after the live. When you go back to the page. When you are on your YouTube page, you can see the plus sign. Then press it. Golden not allowed till 13 years old. Not allowed. Oh, not allowed. You are not allowed to go live, Tyrone. 13 or 18? Is it? 13 is okay? Nama? 18 man maybe? 13 is allowed already? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Yes. I forgot. But in TikTok is not allowed. Should be 18. Should 18. Yes, plus button. You press it. Why your hair at the back? Your ears at the back. And now back. Ano? Come on. Yo. Oh. Come on. Come on, sister. Unsa naman itong grass? Oy, the grass is now kaskaro na among grass kay tungod ni Kira. If under 13 has to be accompanied by adult. I see it now. I'm excited. Oh, wow. Okay. You can go live as well. Tyron, inad mo ba ako bilang kaibigan? Kinaibigan mo na ba ako? Tyron, do you accept me? SUB? Check with ma'am first, Tyron. Tyron, yes. Okay. Ay. Nearly to drop it into the pool. Woo! Lovely.